Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your Twitter username. These steps are very easy. Just follow me until the end and let's go and begin the tutorial. And so the first step, what we need to do, we need to go and open our account or our Twitter app as you can see over here. So we click on it. And now from here, we need to log in with our account or we need to create a new account. So once we log into our account on Twitter, up to the left corner, we're going to click on the account picture. And so here we have a lot of options such as profile, premium, bookmarks, and so on. So what we're going to do easily, we'll go and click on profile, which is the first option over here. And now we need to click on edit profile also, as you can see over here. And once we click on it, we can change our username over here, which is the first option. And once done, we're going to click on save up to the right corner over here. At the end, that was all in today's video. If you find it very helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.